Good evening. In this video we will discuss the stocks that have gained in recent days. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Ltd is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 400 rupees and 20 paise, up 2.51% around 1 pm on the NSE. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Ltd has gained around 1.16% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 3.96 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 6.91 lakh shares in last 1 month. Axis Bank Ltd gained for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 670 rupees and 70 paise, up 1.91% around 1 pm on the NSE. Axis Bank Ltd has risen around 1.42% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 84.64 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 71.98 lakh shares in last 1 month. Strides Pharma Science Ltd is up for a third straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 347 rupees and 40 paise, up 1.76% around 1 pm on the NSE. Strides Pharma Science Ltd has added around 10.39% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 2.57 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 15.82 lakh shares in last 1 month. L&T Technology Services Ltd rose for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 3,102 rupees and 45 paise, up 1.43% around 1 pm on the NSE. L&T Technology Services Ltd has dropped around 11.73% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 2.32 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 2.82 lakh shares in last 1 month. SBI Life Insurance Company Ltd is up for a third straight session today. The stock is quoting at 1,140 rupees and 5 paise, up 1.37% around 1 pm on the NSE. SBI Life Insurance Company Ltd has slipped around 2.03% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 6.62 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 9.17 lakh shares in last 1 month. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Ltd is up for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 855 rupees, up 0.94% around 2 pm on the NSE. Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Ltd has slipped around 0.45% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 16.71 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 25.15 lakh shares in last 1 month. Bajaj Auto Ltd gained for a fifth straight session today. The stock is quoting at 3,800 rupees and 75 paise, up 0.35% around 2 pm on the NSE. Bajaj Auto Ltd has dropped around 2.01% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 2.1 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 7.41 lakh shares in last 1 month.